We are in Greenville downtown today for the Duck Derby festival. They are going to leave a lot of small ducks from the Liberty Bridge from there, and then we are going to observe that today. It's going to be fun. We are here for the ducks. Turn this way.
Oh, let's let other people get a good close view, okay? Follow here.
14,000 ducks were released at 2:30. There were ducks everywhere. I have never seen the Liberty Bridge crowded like this before. All the 52 participants whose ducks reached the finish line received prizes, with the first prize winner receiving $2,500. Another feather in the cap for Greenville County for organizing such a wonderful event.
Losing every step of the way. I said I must go back there, to check and see if things still the same. If you know, say, yeah, they was dancing and singing and moving to the groove and just went and hit it. Somebody turned around and shouted, "Hey, I want you to rival." It's